I'm never really on camera. What do I do? Do I look at the camera? Do I look at you? Do I look at the camera? Do I look at you? What do I do?
A little bit of both.
What do I do with my hands?
Back and forth.
What do I do with my hands?
Back and forth.
Okay.
Like this. Today we're talking about 5 guns, love guns, that can radically transform your life. These massage guns are some of my personal favorite things to use as self-healing modalities. I brought along my buddy Dane to talk about his favorite as well and what he likes, the ins and the outs of it. If you're anybody experiencing pain in your body, if you're feeling tension, if you're feeling anxious, anxiety, then potentially getting one of these guns could be a really great solution for you.
Or not even that severe, just routine maintenance.
Routine maintenance.
Yeah.
I feel so good doing this every single day.
Right.
For at least 20 to 30 minutes. It's life-changing.
Preventative care.
Preventative care. Healthcare is self-care. Remember that. Somebody write that in the comments below. Healthcare, self-care.
Self-love.
So everything you can do every day for more self-love, filling your own cup up. You can only give from a full cup. It's important. Let's show them the guns, shall we?
Let's do it.
All right, first up, it would be the Hypervolt.
Same.
And I loved it, right?
Love it.
What do we pay? $259 for this?
$299.
$299. Sometimes you can get a little cheaper.
They have a better version for $350.
I think it goes up to 2,400 reps. Is it per second or per minute?
Not per minute.
Per minute. So it's a great gun, you guys. Good starter gun. It has different tips that it comes with as well, the Hypervolt.
It's quiet.
This is my favorite tip. This thing right here, you can kind of really get in to the different tissue and whatnot, and it is super quiet, like you said. Noise is a big thing with these as well.
Yeah.
Any other thoughts in regards to this one?
Low, medium, high settings, and then an extra high setting. 4 different settings.
Yeah, and the battery lasts pretty long.
Over an hour, constant use.
Which is great.
I want to say 90.
And then the next one I got, because I did lose one and I wanted people to enjoy it in our healing room that we actually have here with all of our biohacking crazy stuff that I want to shoot a video for you guys with, was this one. And this is kind of a knockoff of the Hypervolt. You can kind of tell, right? And you can get this one on Amazon. It's got all the same settings. I think it lasts almost as long, maybe not quite as long, but I think it's like $100, $110 on Amazon.
Cool.
I can leave a link below, you guys, as well. Next up, I got the Timtam. Are you familiar with the Timtam?
I'm not.
So 2,800 reps a minute, a little bit more robust.
Okay.
It does have this head, which I like. You can actually tilt it, you guys, like this. So there's different areas in your body that you can get. They claim that it heats up. Now I've tried the heat up function. It doesn't really work that well. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. And the reason I bought it, and I think I paid $500 for it when I originally got it, was because of the heat. Because during massage, if you can heat up the muscle a little bit more, you can get a little deeper. You know, you get that burn going, it feels good, you release those endorphins, and it's got crazy tips. Look at this killer tip.
Is it the only one with a metal tip?
Look at, are you scared? Can you give me the scared face? Feel that?
Okay.
I think it's used with antimantium, like Wolverine's
X-Men?
claws. Yeah.
Perfect.
Feel that?
Yeah, it's heavy.
So this gun is very durable. I like the Timtam. Battery doesn't last as long as the other guns. You can tell because it's little.
Smaller.
So if you're traveling with it, you definitely want to have 2 or 3 batteries. If you're going to be on the road for a while, not able to plug in, that's the Timtam.
2,800 is the highest I think I've heard of
2,800
for all these guns
Yeah, 2,800 is the highest.
that I've heard of, that I'm aware of.
We need to make a gun that goes higher, you guys. What do you think? It's like tachyon speed. You turn it on and you go into a different dimension. Just phasing in and out. All right, the Compex was the next one. I love, actually their TENS unit is the best TENS unit I've ever used. And you use it on your phone as an app, it's super powerful. But the gun, it's pretty similar to the Timtam. I don't think you can actually change tips on this either.
Okay.
It doesn't feel like this
I
comes
don't
off.
think so either. You're right.
It goes up pretty heavy, like the 2,800 per minute realm. Compex is great. Similar battery, look at it. So a lot of these are the same.
Smaller battery.
Battery doesn't last as long, but I like the Compex.
Yeah. Price $179.
Is that
on sale right
$179?
now from $399.
Okay, so you can get it on sale right now, which is great.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a bargain. And then next up,
3 speeds.
we have the Theragun. This is the big boy. And this is awesome. I actually really like this. I probably like this the most now after using it today. Specifically because I think this is the first company that integrated an app, right? That tells you exactly what to do and where to do it.
Right.
So it is a little bit more. I think it's $599. Right?
Biggest model, $599. They do have a $399, $299, and a $199 model as well.
And I'm not paid by this company, you guys, at all. I'm just sharing this information with you because I think it's effective. but see how that clicks? It's got the digital display, which is nice.
LCD screen.
And you can notice it is quiet, right?
Right.
It may be a little louder than the Hypervolt. Let's put them side by side.
Low, medium, high.
About the same. What I like about the Theragun as well is this tip is super soft.
It is.
So you can really get in there.
It is.
And it'll heat up a little bit as well. You still have the movable thing, I think. This one.
You gotta push hard.
Nice. So that's that. Yeah, so Dane brought this over to me today and I was just like, whoa, I haven't seen this one. So great gun for self-massage. It goes up in, battery lasts pretty long.
90 minutes.
90 minutes, so a little bit longer. But this is like the Mac Daddy gun, okay? And it is more, $599 right now.
Correct.
This one was originally $500, but I think now you can get it for $350 or something. But anyway, these are the 5 guns. Anything else you want to say?
I think you covered it all. This one does have an app. When you open the app, there's gonna be different routines, different activities, different areas of the body. You basically tell the app what it is that you do, and then it tells you the best procedure to go through. So, you sign into the app. Today, Drew and I did back day. So we're gonna click on lower back. It's gonna tell you how long you should be using the machine for. It's Bluetooth synced to your phone. So once you turn on your device and start your routine, it's gonna tell you where to go, for how long, where to grip it, and then also which head to use so that you do it effectively and correctly.
Big thumbs up for you guys for actually watching this, caring enough to do the things that can help you with your own self-love. And I know these cost money, and I know a lot of people probably are experiencing job shifts. There's a lot of unemployment happening in the world today. So if that's you and you're like, I can't even afford a $100 gun, what I want to tell you, you can still do self-massage with one of these. This used to be my best friend for decades.
Foam roller.
I literally test this on clients in the past. They roll their feet out and their flexibility goes like 3 inches. They can actually touch the ground.
Or just stretch, just carve time out of your schedule for it.
Carve time to stretch. If you're in San Diego and you're looking for a gym, Revel Fit Club, when are you guys opening up?
August 2020.
So if you're watching this in the future, it's probably already open. If you're watching it now, coming up August, check it out. And Dane's in there every single day helping people transform. I'm gonna put all the links for these below. Check it out, click on them, and let me know what you think, guys. Leave a comment. If this was helpful, I have a ton of other healing modalities in the house that I wanna share with you guys. This is kind of just a test to see if you like this type of content. I know normally it's the spiritual, it's the health, it's the mindset stuff, but this, I believe, is a part of all that. It's something that I do, and it's something that could greatly benefit you as well. Peace. Namaste.